everyone, it's Purva here. Welcome back to my channel. And let's just start today's video by saying that I am a big time sunscreen paglu. Like, I will place an order for an extra sunscreen or a new sunscreen that I want to try every single time I'm buying anything from Nykaa or Tira, or even if I'm restocking my skincare or something, I will make sure that I buy a new sunscreen so that I can try and see how it works for me or not. And after a lot of trial and error, I finally come down to these 6 sunscreens that I'm really liking at the moment.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
The sunscreen rotation goes on between these 6 sunscreens only. And yeah, without any further delays, let's just start today's video.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So now the first one has to be this one. A little backstory: this was the first sunscreen that I had ever tried in my life, and this was suggested to me by my dermatologist. I remember going to a dermat when my skin was not doing well, and she did suggest me a lot of skincare and a sunscreen that she wanted me to apply, and that is where all of this kind of began. And this is the one. It's the Ekran Aqua Gel. You can find it anywhere at a pharmacy. This one honestly is one sunscreen that my entire family uses.
तो क्या नाचो मैं?
Like, my mom uses it, my brother uses it, my father will also use it.
बाप का, दादा का, भाई का, सबका बदला लेकर तेरा फैजल.
And honestly, this works for almost all skin types, and especially if you have like a sensitive skin like mine, this is the best and the safest option. Like, if you just want to start experimenting or start your journey from somewhere, I think you can go ahead and buy this and try it for yourself. I'm sure you're going to like it. The second one is this one. I remember seeing a lot of influencers talk about it on the internet, and especially when Hyphen was launched, it was viral almost everywhere. So I thought, why not just like give it a shot? And I remember keeping it in my bag, and basically for reapplication, it is extremely fluid and it can be applied smoothly even over makeup. Like, you can reapply it after 4-5 hours during the day, and this will not budge your makeup. And I really like this for the fact that it is super handy, and it did not break me out as well. Like, it really did suit my skin. So this is my second favorite. Next is a sunscreen from Fay Beauty. Now, if you remember, Fay Beauty lipsticks were super trending, and I was buying one of those lipsticks for myself, and I saw this on the website, and I thought that, why don't we try a Fay Beauty sunscreen as well. And to my surprise, the formulation is just spot on. It is extremely fluid, and it does not leave white cast whatsoever. Like, so the other 2 sunscreens that I showed before this will still need some time to settle in, and there will be a slight white cast, and you have to give it some time to soak into your skin. But this one is so easy to apply, and I feel that it protects as well. Like, it does not just go away after application, if it makes sense. But great formulation, and I reach out to this a lot these days. And yeah, I can't wait to kind of like finish this off and try another range that they've recently launched, I guess. Another great product by an Indian skincare brand, and I love how Fay Beauty is extremely doing well in terms of formulation. So yeah, this is a big thumbs up from my end. Next favorite sunscreen is this one from Lancome. This is a little expensive,
150 रुपया देगा.
but it is so beautiful, so gel like consistency, and it just blends into your skin like magic. And I have seen like a difference after applying this in my skin. Like, my skin feels amazing. Like, I have seen a prominent difference in my skin after applying this. I remember using this sunscreen on my entire Dubai trip. It was extremely sunny and so hot, but this sunscreen really, really saved my skin there. So now the next one is actually a spray sunscreen. Um, if you know me, you know that I keep going to Alibag a lot, and I have seen that my body gets tanned really quickly. So I thought, why don't I like try putting a sunscreen on my body? And now putting a lotion sunscreen is a little tiring, but I found this Clayco spray sunscreen which comes extremely handy. Like going on the beach, we'll just spray it all over our body, and I make sure that all of my family is also using this. So another great discovery, and I don't know if it has actually made a difference, but mentally I feel relieved that I'm at least doing something about my body and protecting it from the harsh sunlight. Now the next sunscreen that I'm going to show you is my current obsession. Like मैंने randomly, I remember मैं Blinkit से कुछ सामान मंगा रही थी, and free delivery के लिए minimum order amount होता है, and just to cover that I thought let's order a sunscreen, and I ended up ordering this one from Dot & Key, and to my surprise इतना प्यारा sunscreen है ये. The moment you apply it and just leave it for 5 minutes, आपकी skin will radiate a healthy glow. Like you've been eating your veggies and some kind of like healthy glow your skin will radiate, and I am clearly obsessed with this one. This sunscreen at the moment tops all of the other sunscreens that I have showed you in this video, hence I had to save this for the last. I mean, Dot & Key, what exactly are you putting in this? I really want to know, and I can't wait to try their other ranges as well. Like I've never used Dot & Key products, but I'm sure if this one is working great, I'm sure all of the other products are great as well. So yeah, this is my number one at the moment. So yeah, those were my favorite sunscreens, and these are the only sunscreens that I'm obsessed over right now, and I cannot wait to try more, honestly. But in case if you want to buy any of these, I will leave a link down in the description box. You can check that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.